I'm not going to lie, this is super exciting. Subliminator has just announced that they've got a direct integration into Etsy. So in this video, I'm going to take you through exactly how to set it up step by step so you know that those automated orders are going to come through without you having to touch anything. And you're going to want to stick around to the end because I do have a product that I want to share with you that I think has massive opportunity, that has massive profit, and that I think you're silly if you sleep on it. And if you want my free Etsy checklist for setting up your store and optimizing those products, make sure you click the link in the description below. Now let's get into it. So in your Etsy dashboard in your shop, what you need to do is go to settings, come up to partners you work with, and we need to add a new production partner. So production partner name, I'm going to name that who it is. In the descriptive title is where I put something that's a bit more obscure so that people, competitors, can't come in here and see who it is that I am actually working with. So I will put in my awesome all over printers. Put in China. With quality that is second to none. So why do you work with this partner? The first reason is I don't have the technical capability or the technical ability. What is your role in the design process? I design everything myself. What is your partner's role in the process? They do everything for me. That is how you create your partner. Now what we need to do is come back over into Subliminator. I'm assuming you've already got Subliminator in your actual Shopify account. So what we need to do is now add a new shop. So come down to the bottom, click your profile icon, and then go shop settings. Now what we need to do is add an Etsy shop. There we go. So long as you're signed in, it's going to come through and ask for you to grant access. Confirm. And it's as easy as that. Now when you upload your products, you're going to have the choice to be able to publish it straight to Etsy. Now back in your Subliminator account, what we're going to do is add a new product. Do you want to learn the process to creating a $5,000 to $10,000 per month print-on-demand business? Then I'd love to introduce you to the Products Accelerator. That is my coaching program to start, grow, and scale your print-on-demand business in as little time as possible. And right now is a fantastic time to join because I've just released one of the best offers I've ever created. If that sounds awesome to you, make sure you click the link in the description below. Good on you. So now back in your Subliminator account, what we're going to do is add a new product and set it up so that product goes straight to Etsy. So I'm just going to click that love heart because I've previously shortlisted the products that I like working with. And it's this one here, the Snug Hoodie Economy. Then you're going to be presented with this window, select shop. Now, when you select Etsy, it's going to publish that product straight across there, ready for you to start optimizing and selling. Upload all your template images. There we have our mock-ups. Set your pricing. Compare at. I certify I own the rights and go publish. Yes, I am sure. Now, after it's done publishing, we're going to be able to find that over on Etsy, where we're going to have to add that production partner. So in Etsy, come to your listings. Then it's going to show up in your drafts. And there we have it there. So this is where we go through and make sure that we're optimizing it so that it surfaces in those search results. So using eReg, that's how you're going to be able to do this. So what we want to do is make sure we've got the production partner sorted. So in core details, we want to make sure that this is where we select our production partner. Here we go, done. Awesome. Go through, fill in the other attributes as well. Made to order, what is it? A finished product. Who made it? I did. How did your shop produce this item? So what we need to select here, it's an item that my shop alters. So what tools I use to make this item? Click on computerized tools or machines, and there we go, apply. That is done. Once you're happy with the full optimization, which I'm not going to take you through in this video, if you do want to see me optimizing a listing, make sure you watch this video after this one. This is just to show you how to get set up with Subliminator on Etsy. But there you go. That is going to allow you to sell Subliminator products. They will then automatically come through to your Subliminator account without having to use CED Commerce or any other integration tool that bridges that gap. This is very, very cool. There it is, all done. Now you're ready to sell all those sub products over on Etsy. Now, if you want to learn how to really increase that average order value where you're making profits of not just $60 per item, but you're making up to 4 times that, then you're going to want to watch this video next. Stay awesome.